To open this special occasion, let us warmly welcome Sofia Chandria Iguarin of Grade 5 Pula as she delivers her welcome address. Let us give her a warm round of applause.
Good morning to our esteemed school administrators, President and CEO of Liman Education Corporation, Senator Ana Dominic M. Alcaceteg, DPS Vice President, Professor Wendell A. Dels Reyes, Vice President for Student Life and Development, Professor Ruben de la Cruz, our beloved DPS Max School Principal, Professor Marita Y. Perez, dedicated faculty and staff, proud parents, invited guests, and most importantly, to my fellow student achievers. As we stand here at the Liman Preparatory School today, we can feel a clear sense of pride in the air. For us, Recognition Day is not just a formality or a date on the school calendar. It is a celebration of the late nights, the early mornings, and the unwavering grit and discipline that brought every one of us to these front rows. This academic year wasn't always easy. If we look back, we didn't just survive on a few tests. We conquered a number of quizzes, major quarterly exams, and a lot of different performance tasks that required our full creativity and effort. We all remember the long nights spent finishing projects and those moments when a difficult lesson felt like an impossible mountain to climb. We faced days when we felt tired, times when we doubted our own progress and the pressure of balancing our studies with everything else. But it's those exact difficulties that made this year a good one. We didn't just learn from textbooks. We learned how to bounce back. We found out that we are more resilient than we thought, a characteristic a true Delimanian possesses. Whether it was helping a classmate understand a tough topic, or finally hitting a personal goal after weeks of trying. We grew through the struggle. We proved that excellence isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up and doing the work, even when it's hard. As we begin this ceremony, I invite you all to celebrate not just the medals and certificates, but the character we built along the way. These awards are a reminder that there are no limits to what we can achieve when we pair our talents with hard work. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone attending our Recognition Day. We are truly honored to share this milestone with all of you. Thank you, and may we all have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Chandria.